Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install AWS CLI on this Linux operating system. To download the software, here you need to write on this Google search box AWS CLI. Then go on this AWS Amazon.com site. Now, after that, you need to click on this Get Started, and there you can see so recommended installing update latest version of AWS CLI. So you need to click on this link. This link you need to click. After that, here you need to scroll down. Then you can get Linux, Mac, and Windows. So let's use the Linux. And now let's scroll down. Here, command line Linux that you can get here. You can use command line snap package and this command line. So this selecting this option and there you need to copy this command. Copying this command. Then after the next is let's open their terminal. Open their terminal and copied command you need to paste simply. So this for download, this for unzip, and this second, third for install. So now let's press enter. So here this is now downloading from this site. So this for now downloading or this. And the next this all done here. After that the next is uh, 1 second. Let's use the killer command first. Then after AWS, then minus minus version. Then you can see AWS CLI 2.28 version that install. So this is how we can install this AWS CLI on this Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.